If your car door is stuck shut, you're not alone. This simple fix could save your day, and your wallet. Let's get started. First, check if your car is unlocked. Sometimes the obvious answer is the right one. If it's definitely unlocked and still stuck, try pressing the unlock button a few more times. Next, gently pull on the door handle from both inside and outside. Listen, do you hear any clicks or movement? If not, the problem might be inside the door. Check around the door for visible damage like dents or rust. Sometimes dirt or debris can get stuck in the latch. Wipe around the edges with a clean cloth and use a little spray lubricant on the latch if you can see it. If the door still won't budge, try pushing on the door while lifting the handle. This can sometimes free a stuck latch. Still stuck? Slide into the back seat and see if you can open the door from the inside. Sometimes the inside handle works when the outside doesn't. If nothing works, don't force it. You could damage the lock or handle. It's time to call a professional mechanic or your roadside assistance. So, remember, start with the simple stuff, check for dirt, use a little lubricant, and never force the door. With a little patience, you might just unlock the mystery and your car door.